You've probably had that moment where you walk into a room, stop dead in your tracks, and completely forget why you're there. Or maybe you're in the middle of a vital task, and your focus simply evaporates. If that sounds familiar, you are far from alone. It's an incredibly common mental hurdle, especially for professionals navigating the heavy workloads of their 30s and 40s, or for students managing intense academic pressure. To understand why this happens, think of the brain as an intricate electrical network, much like the wiring inside your home. This biological grid is powered by billions of connections called neurons. They are the system's messengers, constantly firing electrical signals back and forth to formulate your thoughts, your memory, and your focus. Over time, the daily friction of high stress, poor diet, a lack of exercise, and natural aging takes a physical toll. Those delicate neural pathways start to fray and lose their connection, causing the whole system to slow down. So, a sudden loss of focus or short-term memory isn't a personal failure. It's a symptom of physical wear and tear on your biological wiring, meaning it requires active structural repair. The question is how we actually fix that wiring. The answer might lie in using specific, naturally occurring chemistry to repair the grid. This brings us to nootropics. These are specialized plant-based botanical compounds designed specifically to support and enhance how the brain functions. A prime example of this is USANA CopaPrime Plus. It utilizes a botanical formula called the 𝗕liche cognitive support complex, which is engineered to optimize how your cells signal to one another at a microscopic level. This approach targets foundational cellular health, providing more stable support than the temporary spike of a caffeine jolt. The formula relies on 3 primary components. The first is an herb called Brahmi. Think of Brahmi as a grid optimizer. Its job is to clear out that electrical noise, helping to sharpen focus and manage stress. The second ingredient is American ginseng, a robust natural antioxidant. Ginseng specifically supports the production of acetylcholine. That's a critical chemical in the brain required to hold on to both short and long-term memories. Finally, there is green coffee fruit extract. While it's very low in caffeine, it is incredibly rich in protective compounds known as polyphenols. When these polyphenols enter the system, they trigger a boost in a vital protein called BDNF. BDNF acts as the brain's internal maintenance crew. It helps signals pass through existing neurons more effectively while generating brand new neurons for long-term health. Working in tandem, these 3 compounds deliver antioxidant protection to prevent cell damage, actively rebuilding the neural pathways you need to handle daily mental stress. To see if this botanical support actually works in practice, researchers at Central Queensland University put it to the test. They used something called the NBAC test. It's a high-pressure cognitive challenge designed specifically to push attention, focus, and short-term memory to their limits. The mechanics are intense. Subjects watch numbers flash rapidly on a screen and have to react instantly the exact moment a sequence repeats itself. To measure the immediate impact of improved neural signaling, subjects took this intense test merely 45 minutes after taking the Copa Prime Plus supplement. This chart shows the results of that test. The group taking Copa Prime Plus demonstrated clear, positive improvements in their reaction time and focus, while the performance of the placebo group actually declined under the pressure. The study confirms that by optimizing signaling pathways, we can see a measurable, immediate upgrade in human cognitive output, even before the long-term structural repairs take full effect. But the most revealing data didn't come from the test scores. It came from the brain scans monitoring the subjects while they took the test. Take a look at this scan of the placebo users. The heavy red and orange mapping indicates high levels of cognitive strain, showing a brain working frantically just to keep up. Now look at the side-by-side comparison with the Copa Prime Plus users. Their scans showed significantly less red, operating instead with cool blue and green efficiency. The data shows the supplement allowed the brain to process the stress effortlessly, facilitating a smooth physiological reaction while maintaining a higher performance score. For busy professionals managing their careers, or students over 12 facing heavy study loads, that kind of sustained mental clarity is entirely within reach. By feeding our biological wiring the specific natural compounds it needs to repair itself, we can eliminate the friction of mental fatigue and finally let our minds work smarter, not harder.